Most people think that building a good habit requires a strong will. They think they need more grit or more motivation. They are wrong. Success isn't about how hard you push, it's about how much you remove. Today, we're talking about friction. Friction is the distance between you and the person you want to become. If you want to win, you have to make the good habits easy and the bad habits impossible. Your brain is a machine designed to save energy. It will always choose the path of least resistance. To master your life, you must become an architect of your environment. Let's look at two critical case studies, Sarah and David. Sarah wanted to drink more water and eat less junk food. Originally, she kept her water in the back of the fridge and her snacks on the kitchen counter. She had to use willpower every time she walked into the kitchen. She usually failed because the chips were right there. Then, she redesigned her friction. She put a large water bottle right on her desk and moved the snacks to a high shelf in the garage inside an opaque box. Now, drinking water is the easiest thing to do, and eating junk food requires a walk and a ladder. She lost 10 pounds in a month without trying harder. She simply made success the easiest choice. Then there is David. David wanted to stop scrolling on his phone for 2 hours every morning. He used to keep his phone on his nightstand as an alarm. The friction to start his bad habit was zero. He just reached out his hand. To fix this, David bought a $10 analog alarm clock and started charging his phone in the kitchen. Now, to scroll in the morning, he has to get out of bed and walk into the cold kitchen. That extra friction was enough to break the cycle. He now spends his mornings reading instead. He didn't get more disciplined, he just moved the charger. To help you audit your own life, use the friction protocol. On Monday, focus on your morning. Lay out your work clothes and your breakfast the night before. Ask yourself, what is the first thing that slows me down when I wake up? On Tuesday, focus on your digital life. Move your social media apps off your home screen and into a hidden folder. Ask, how many clicks does it take to waste time? On Wednesday, focus on your health. Pre-cut your vegetables so they are ready to eat. Ask, why is the healthy choice harder than the fast choice? On Thursday, focus on your workspace. Clear everything off your desk, except the one project you need to finish. Ask, what is distracting my eyes right now? On Friday, focus on your wind down. Set your book on your pillow and put your remote in a drawer. Ask, is my environment helping me rest or helping me scroll? Now let's go deeper with a friction audit checklist. Run this through your home tonight. First, identify your top 3 goals. For each goal, list every physical step required to start it. If there are more than 2 steps, you have too much friction. Second, look for visibility friction. If you can't see your vitamins or your gym shoes, you won't use them. Put them in your direct path. Third, check for decision friction. If you have to choose what to wear or what to eat in the moment, you are burning mental fuel. Decide the night before to zero out the friction. Stop relying on your mood. Your mood is a liar. Instead, trust your system. When you lower the friction for your good habits, you don't need motivation. You become a machine that simply executes because the path is clear. Design your world so that you can win while being lazy. Remove the hurdles, clear the path. Become the proactive executor.